Hello friends, welcome to this session. Previously we had seen the basic concepts and the general form of quadratic equation, as well as we had studied about the different ways to solve it like factorization method, quadratic formula method and completing the square method. Let's make the session interesting by understanding where exactly the concept of quadratic equations is actually used in our daily lives, as when calculating areas, determining a product's profit, or formulating the speed of an object. So today, we will look at a couple of different examples that can be solved by using the quadratic equations. Before proceeding, let's have a look at some tips to solve. Visualize yourself in the problem by trying to relate to the scenario. If something is unknown to you, then decide to call it any variable, and by using it, write down the given relationship between the two situations. Simplify the equation and solve the equation. Now let's look at the first problem. Rose is older than Jerry by 6 years. The sum of the reciprocals of their ages is 1 divided by 4. Find their present ages. So now suppose you have two kids in front of you and you ask them their ages. Now the girl Rose replies that I'm older than Jerry by 6 years and the sum of the reciprocals of our ages is 1 divided by 4. So now we have to find their present ages. So how we will solve it? Here we don't know their present ages. So let us assume the present age of Jerry be X. Also it is mentioned that Rose is older than Jerry by 6 years. Therefore, the present age of Rose will be X plus 6. And the sum of the reciprocals of their ages is 1 divided by 4. Now what is this reciprocal? Reciprocal of a number is 1 divided by the number. For example, the reciprocal of 3 is 1 divided by 3 and of 5 is 1 divided by 5. And when we multiply a number by its reciprocal, we get 1. That is, here we have x and x plus 6. Therefore, 1 divided by x plus 1 divided by x plus 6 equal to 1 divided by 4. Here you must be thinking, what if we have taken the present age of Rose as x and age of Jerry as y? Do we get the same equation? Let's see. As it is mentioned, Rose is 6 years older than Jerry. So can we write x plus 6 equal to y? Yes. And the sum of the reciprocals of their ages is 1 divided by 4. So 1 divided by x plus 1 divided by y equal to 1 divided by 4. Well, we can see here we are getting the same equations. Now simplify the equation and make the equation 0 by taking all the terms in any one side. Now solve the quadratic equation by using any one method. Here we are using the factorization method. So here we are getting two values of x equal to minus 4, x equal to 6. We cannot use x equal to minus 4 because age cannot be a negative number. Therefore, the age of Jerry is 6 years and the age of Rose is 12 years. Let's move on to the next question. Two cars leave an intersection at the same time. One car travels north and other car travels west. When the car traveling north had gone 30 miles, the distance between the cars was 5 miles more than the 3 times the distance travelled by car heading west. Find the distance between the cars at that time. If you will read the question carefully, the important thing which is to be noted here is the directions in which the cars are travelling. Before solving, friends, do you remember the directions? Yes, you got it right. Now, It's given that two cars leave an intersection at the same time. So here is an intersection point. Now from this point one car travels north and other car travels west. Here friends, be careful about the directions, especially when it is asked for east or west. East means the thing is moving in right direction and west means the thing is moving in left direction. Since the distance travelled by car in north direction is 30 miles and simultaneously from the same starting position the other car travelled in west direction. But as distance is not given, so let us assume x miles, and the distance between the cars means we have to join these 2 points was 5 miles more than 3 times the distance travelled by the car heading west. Little bit confusing? Okay, let's break the sentence in 2 parts. 5 miles more means plus 5, right? Then the 3 times the distance travelled by the car heading west. Now, what is the distance travelled by the car in west direction? X miles, right? Now 3 times the distance means we have to multiply distance by 3, that is 3x. So it will be 3x plus 5. Friends, now if you will see the figure carefully, we are getting a right triangle. So what can be done here? Can we get the equation by using the Pythagoras theorem? Yes, we can. By using Pythagoras theorem, we have here EB is 30, BC is x and AC is 3x plus 5. On solving, we will get here we are using the factorization method. X equal to 8.75 and x equal to minus 12.5. We cannot use x equal to minus 12.5 because distance cannot be a negative number. So we have the value of x equal to 8.75. So are we done here? Is this the final solution? No. We have been asked to find the distance between the two cars. Since it is represented by the expression 3x plus 5, therefore by substituting the value of x, we will get the actual distance between the two cars, that is 31.25 miles. Let's move on to the next question. A rectangular garden is known to have an area of 480 square feet. The lengths of the sides are shown in the diagram below. Find the length and width of a garden. We have a rectangular garden of area 480 square feet and we have to find the length and width of a garden. So what can be done here? If you will see carefully, the length is given as x plus 8 and width is given as 2x. So how we can find the value of x? How we can get the equation? Well friends, if these kinds of questions are asked, you have to try to set up the equation by using the formula of area of particular given figure. So here, if we will use the area of rectangle, can we get the equation? Yes, we can. So, area equal to length into width. By substituting the value, on solving this, we will get here we are using the factorization method. X equal to 12, x equal to minus 20. We cannot use x equal to minus 20 since we are looking for a length and this is a negative number. Therefore, length of rectangular garden is 20 feet and width is 24 feet. So friends, here we saw application to three problems. First, to calculate age. Second, to calculate the distance. And third, to calculate the length and width of a rectangle. Now, try to solve the next questions on your own and write your answer in the comment box. You might be thinking how to identify that the problem is of quadratic equation or simultaneous equation. Friends, while solving the problem, if we will get two linear equations in two variables at the same time, then it is a simultaneous equation where the degree of variable is 1. And if while solving the problem after simplification we are getting the highest degree of variable as 2, then it is a quadratic equation. In our upcoming session, we will solve some problems based on determining the speed of the train and the speed of the boat, as well as to calculate the number of quantities. I hope you guys have enjoyed the session. Don't forget to hit the bell icon and never miss another update from LessTube.